Hi my people, I'm super excited today because we just received a very important tool in our cleaning journey, and it's a super drill brush. Wow, a super drill brush, and I'm super excited. In our today's Clean With Me video, we shall be unboxing this drill brush and test it right here. Don't touch the dial. So to start with, kuna watu bado hawajaelewa nafasi ya hii tool. Drill brush tutakuwa tunatumia in all our cleaning activities. Apparently we have browsed a cleaning company called Update Cleaning and Fumigation Company, which will be basically dealing with the cleaning of all upholsteries, including mattresses, sofa sets, dining chairs, carpets, among other services that needs cleaning. So our company shall be based in Nairobi Metropolitan. So kama uko Nairobi, Kiambu, Kajiado, Machakos, we shall be able to reach you. The offer is very nice. By the way, tuko na YouTube channel under the name Ben Safaris. Kindly click on that link and subscribe. Kwa tunaweka activity zetu hapo na utakuwa una enjoy na una learn. Go to 1000 subscribers. Ben Safaris, Update Cleaning and Fumigation. I'm out.